Part 1, Introducing Building Element. Horizontal covering separating stories are called floor. The floor has a structural part to bear the loads and transfer them to the beams. The lower and upper surfaces of the structural part of floor are covered using appropriate layers to provide functions such as smoothness and levelness, beauty, etc. The layers that make up the floor from above include floor covering, structural part of the floor and ceiling covering. Part 2, Implementing Details. A concrete slab that is based on the size of the span can be a one-side or two-side slab, consisting of horizontal and vertical bars at the top and bottom, along with concrete with a strength determined at the design stage. The thickness of the structural part varies based on the span and the loads applied. To level the floor surface, lightweight concrete with a cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter or pumice is used. The thickness of the leveling part is at least 5 cm.
The next layer is cement sand mortar, which has a minimum thickness of 2.5 cm. On the cement sand mortar, cement terrazzo tiles are applied with a minimum thickness of 2 cm. Cement grout is applied between the cement terrazzo tiles joints. Finally, parquet tiles are carpeted on the cement terrazzo tile surface with special glue. Common floor coverings for ceilings, like interior walls, are clay and gypsum mortar, white gypsum lining finishing plaster.
Part 3, Constituent Materials. Part 4, Reference.